Hello everyone and welcome back to the Quant. Today here we are to deal with the CAT 2022 LRDI set, a pretty controversial set as well because as soon as the exam was over, some of the top faculties were claiming that this set was wrong, but it wasn't actually wrong. Okay, so now let's begin. Here's the set. You can pause the video and give it a try. Hope you're done. So the set says A, B, C, D, E are interviews in a process that awards funding for initiatives. Every interviewer individually interviews each of the candidates individually and awards a token if she recommends funding. A token has a face value this. Each interviewer awards a token of single face value. Only six interviews are over for a candidate. The candidate receives a funding that is 1,000 times the product of the tokens. PQRST who received funding, this is and these are additional. So basically a Shark Tank concept. So these are the pictures and these are sharks. Okay, so this is a concept that they will pitch their initiatives and accordingly they will provide the fundings. Okay, and the first para, see Adhara. Say we take an example of Adhara. Adhara can provide only one of the token, like only two she can provide or only three, not like two, not like she provides two to Praganya and three to Kahira and five to Smera, not like this. Only if she provides two, then she can provide two to Pranganya, Kahira, Rashida, any. And same goes for the other sharks or interviewers as well. Okay. And now one more thing, that the amount they received will be the product of the tokens they received into 1,000. Okay. And these are the candidates. So, and these are the points. Okay. Now let's move on to this is a, okay. So it is given that the face value is 1,000 times the product. So which means that if we, so the number in every face value 1,000 is multiplied, so we remove the three zeros. Okay, now from here it is just a simple quant based set, easily can be done. What all you need to do is just break these numbers in the factors, break these numbers using these these all numbers. Okay, so like the first one, so you write it down as 390 equals 390 can, clearly we know that 3 into 30 39 and 10, but 10 we can't use, so we'll use 2 and 5. Only numbers permissible are these only numbers you can use. So 210 now. 210 is 3 into 7 into 2 into 5. Now next 165. 165 is clearly you know 11. 11 and 15. So 11 means 3 into 5 into 11. Now the next one is 77. 77 is clearly 7 into 11. 66 is 6 into 11, but 6 we can't use, so we'll use 2 into 3. So 3 into 2, 6 and 11. Now do just one more thing, that note down the number of appearances of the numbers of the token. Okay. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay. 2 appears, 2 appears 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 3 appears 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 5 appears 1, 2, 3, 3 times. 7 appears 1, 2, 2 times. 11, 1, 2, 3 times. 13, 1 time. Okay. Done. This I haven't actually done an exam, but I right now I thought while making the video, I thought that this should have been done. Anyway, okay, now let's use the points. Fatima awards tokens to everyone except Kahira. So Fatima gave tokens to everyone except Kahira. Now, so you can see that there are only 5 pictures and these are sharks. So she gave to 4 people. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now she can give token only one of these. So the 4 is for only 4. 4 tokens given is only of 3. So this is Fatima. Super sorted. This is the reason I was telling to write down the number of appearances. Okay. The next point. So 3 is not present in which of the number? 3 is not present in 77. So Kaira is 77. Super sorted. This you can interpret by this now. So Kaira is 77 because 3 isn't present in only in this number. Now Adhara awards tokens to no one except Praganya. Adhara was no, so Adhara will give token to only Praganya and none of the else. So now check for the number, check for the token which has value 1. So 1, only 13. So this is Adhara. Adhara is 13. And 13 is present only in this 390. 390. And this is also sorted now. 390. So Pranganya is 390. Done. These 2 points we can. Now, this is the point due to which the controversy arise. This point. Rashida received the highest number of tokens that everyone received, but she did not receive from Esther. So what those faculties or whosoever was saying that this point is wrong because Rashida received the highest number of tokens that anyone received, but 2 people have received same number of tokens, so she cannot be highest, which is wrong. Their interpretation was wrong because see what it says that receive the highest number of tokens that anyone received. So they can be joint rank 1 as well. Now. That's the case here. Like 2 people can also have rank 1. That like 390 also has 4 tokens. This also has 4 tokens. So both are rank 1. So Rashida can be the 390 or 210, but 390 is Praganya. So Rashida is 210. Write 210 over here. So Rashida is 210. Okay. But she did not receive one from Esther. So Rashida did not receive the coin from Esther. Now Rashida has to get 4 tokens and she already has 2 crosses. You can see that 1 cross, 2 cross. So remaining all will be correct. Tick. Okay. So she did not Rashida did not receive the coin from what she received and what did not. She did not receive 2, 5, 3, 7 she received and 11 and 13 she did not. So this belongs to 13. So this will belong to 11. Super sorted. Done. This is for 11. Okay. Now. यहाँ तक हो गया. Bithi awarded token to Smera but not to Kaira. Bithi awarded token to Smera but not to Kaira. While Dhanavi awarded token to Kaira. Dhanavi awarded token to Kaira but not to Smera. Okay. Now. So here it is 11. So this will be a tick. Now 77 we have to make. We have 11. 1 tick. And Kaira can have only 2 ticks. Na? You know. Kaira is 77 and Kaira can have only 2 ticks because it is for 7 and 11 and she already has 2 ticks, so this will be cross, and which also means that this is 11, so this Dhanavi will be having token of 7. This is done. Just for and also now let's sort out this as well. So 7, the number of ticks for 7 are 2. You can see here now the number of ticks for 7 are 2. So 1 tick, 2 tick, remain all will be cross. The number of ticks for 11 are 3. We have 1, 2 more, we don't know where. We know where. Just a second. See, Pranganya is 390. 390 is 13 into 3 into 2 into 5. So Pranganya won't get a trick over here because this column belongs to 11. And this will be crossed here because Pranganya isn't there. Now 11 has 3 ticks. We already have 1. These 2 will also be tick. Done. Now Pranganya she received 3 and 13. Now 2 and 5 remains. So these all will be correct. 2 and 5. And this is now we are left with 2 and 5 will be in any order. Let's see what 2 is also 3 times and 5 is also 3 times. Okay, so we are not sure of what will come here. 2 5 5 2, isn't it? Because both are 3 times, so we are not sure of what it will be. Okay. Now T what all numbers are remaining now? 165 and 66 remains. Both have 3 5 11 3 2 11. So 11 दोनों में है. 3 5 11 3 2 11. Okay. So this has a tick over here, but we don't know of what. Okay. So 165 and will not, we are not sure, so we'll write it like this: 165 and 66. Okay. If there's a tick, 2 can be 2 or 5, both can be only 3 times. Okay. So 3 ticks are already there, so this will be a cross. And now 5 can also be 3 times, so 2. This will be a cross. And 160, be it 165, I'm talking about this part now. Be it 165 or 166, they will receive 3 coins only. So there is already 1 2 tick over here, so there will be a tick over here. 3 And here 1, 2, 3 ticks already there, so this will be cross. Now only case remains is that 2552 we are not sure. Okay, now let's come to the answering part. How many tokens did Kahira give? Kahira gave 1, 2 tokens. So the answer to this question is 2. Okay. Next question. Who among the following definitely received a token from Bithi but not from Dhanavi? Options are RQPT. The answer is Pranganya. Let's check. Pranganya received from Bithi and not from Dhaina. So Pranganya is the answer. You can check for her also. But okay. How many tokens did Chaya award? Chaya award 1, 2, 3 tokens. So 3 is the answer. Let's check. 3 is the sorry. Chaya award 3 correct. Now next one. How many tokens did Smera receive? Smera received 1, 2, 3, 3 tokens. 3 is the answer. Done. Now, last question. Which of the following could be the amount of funding that Tantra received? We are not sure. It could be either 165 or 66. So the answer is both A and B. So it could be anyone. So this was the set. A pretty good level set. So hope you understood it all. Thank you so much. In case you liked the video, please do hit the like button. You comment as well that you liked it and you understood it as well. Thank you so much.